and welcome to Deals, Reviews and Views. If you're new to our channel, which you probably are as we're a new channel, don't forget to click subscribe down below. And today we're going to be unboxing the Tacklife DM03B multimeter. This was a recent deal featured on our Facebook page, Deals and Glitches, at £3.99. It's currently back up to £12.99 I believe. But without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So this is the box, quite simple design. Let's get it open. I've already taken the cellophane off. Okay, have 9-volt battery. Set of test leads, the multimeter unit, and a Phillips screwdriver, instruction manual, and that looks like that's it. So we also have a warranty card here. Standard Tacklife thing, you get 2 years warranty. Generally a great warranty. I've had a few of their products now. User manual, basic setup, basic use, a few different languages there. Standard kind of thing really. Right, this is the test leads. There's one pair. Okay. Just have protectors on the end, you can actually extend them. Although you can still make contact with those on. The other end, protectors to keep the dirt out. They simply, thrown it on the floor. They simply pull out. Okay, and multimeter. So there's the unit. Feels sturdy, tidy, smaller than I expected. Built-in stand, that's potentially handy. No power, obviously, that's what the battery will be for. And that'll also be why they give you a Phillips screwdriver. So to install the battery, it's just a case of removing that screw, pop open the back, and you can see the terminal there to just open this battery. Okay, it's just plugged straight in. That way around, nice snug fit. Lid back on, screw back in. Ooh. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to switch on. I don't know if you can see that with the reflection. Built-in backlight. Just press that on. I think that just stays on for a short time. Press it again, bring it back on. You've got various settings all around as you'd expect off any multimeter. You've got obviously you can test continuity, the range, the different settings up to 600 volt measuring range for AC DC. Obviously it will measure resistance. There we go. We'll see if we can do another video shortly. So we can get that plastic off. See if we can do another video shortly showing the multimeter working. But overall, for £3.99 that we paid, I think this was fantastic buy. It's a lot smaller than the last one we had, which was another Tacklife one. But yeah, £3.99, that's really good. If I'd have paid full price, £12.99, I'd be equally happy. It's got holders there to hold your test wires when not in use on each side, so it keeps it all together tidy. Yeah, brilliant buy. We'll leave a link to our Facebook page in the description, a link to this product in the description. Please like, share, subscribe, help us bring more videos, more unboxings and more product reviews. Thank you.